vegetables before they officially go back. They all look good still though.
They're really good. What the hell is this? I don't know how I already got like filthy. I mean, whatever, broccoli filthy, but.
Add your vegetables.
Add some garlic powder.
Add about a teaspoon or so of salt.
Add about a tablespoon of Harissa mild red pepper sauce.
Cubed tofu. I typically don't marinate or anything because I already have it in here. It'll kind of get all the flavoring from the curry.
Now I think I'm going to add another half a cup of the vegetable broth. I just want my broth to be a little bit more than what it is now. So I'm going to simmer this with the cover on for maybe about 10 minutes or so. Basically when your vegetables are soft, a little soft, not too soft. I like a smidge of a crunch, but if you like it super soft, then keep it in an extra 5 minutes. So this is what it's looking like. You could serve it over rice or just have it by itself. I think I'll have it by itself just to avoid the carbs. Because since I started doing this, I've gained like 5 pounds. So seriously, no more carbs. But this is really, really healthy. Parsley's on its way out, so it's time to cut this. We'll add some to that as well. The last 5 minutes of boiling, I like to throw in some tomatoes. Plate and serve.
Do I have your attention?